Good everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got a Asus here to fix, an Asus laptop. The model number is F540M. F540M. That's the model number. This laptop was booked in with no power. The customer that brought it in said it has no power. So now when I connect the charger, it's not taking any power. As you can see on the power supply, it's not taking any power. So let's open it up and see together what could be this problem. Okay, by the way, thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel, and if you are watching this video now you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay, what could be this problem? So we need to open it and check it together. Need to open it so that we can check together. Asus laptop. Okay, I think there's no screw on this side. There's no screw on this side. Okay, there's no screw on that side. I think the screw is missing, or probably maybe they tried to fix it before the laptop. Maybe they have tried to fix it somewhere, maybe from other technician. You never know. Okay, let's try to. It's like this screw is broken there. It doesn't want to go out. Okay. Okay. Let's try to open. Okay. Oh, the laptop is open. It doesn't look clean inside at all. You see this? It doesn't look clean. It's so dirty. It's so dirty. It doesn't look clean at all. Did you see that? See the fan? See? It's so dirty. Okay. Okay, I think I wait. Let's disconnect the battery. Where's the battery? I thought the battery. The motherboard doesn't look clean at all. It's so dirty. Okay, there we go. I think let's take the board out. Let's take the board out. It's using SSD. SSD hard drive. Okay, I see they've tried to fix this laptop before. See, they tried to fix it before. They've tried to fix it before. You see this screw which I'm taking out here? If this screw is not there, this laptop won't charge. See this screw? The one I just take out now. If it's not there, that laptop won't charge. It won't detect the battery. It won't charge. It will not detect the battery. I've done previous video on this before. I've done a previous video. on a similar laptop like this before. Okay. More screw to take out. Okay. Okay, there you go. The board is out. See something here. I don't know if you can see. Let's take this one out. There by the current sensor. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see together. Let's hope you can see this. Let's hope you can see this. You see here, here, the current sensor here, it's bent. You see, over here it's bent. Okay, so there's something which is bent there. Okay, so what we're gonna do? I'm going to connect the charger. Charger connected. I just want to check for power. If we've got power. Negative pro to ground. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, negative pro to ground. Yes, there we've got 19 on the charging pin. Then to the first MOSFET, got 19. The output of that MOSFET, got nothing. Got nothing on that output. Okay. I think the short might be coming from this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's take that. I'm gonna take out that. See this this bent component. I'm going to take it out. The current sensor. I'll take that current sensor out. Look for something which I can use to replace that. Just check on the donut board if I could get something to replace that. Let's take from here. Yeah, let's take from this board. I just want to replace that one first, then we'll test together. See, the first MOSFET is off. The input will have 19, then the output, there's nothing on the output of the first MOSFET. So let me just quickly replace this current sensor, then thereafter we'll test again. Why is that MOSFET not open to power? Okay, that's it. Oh, see, I move this capacitor now. You see that? I move the caps. Okay, let's take on the other one. I don't know why my long tweezer, I can't find the long tweezer. I'm using the short one. Okay. Okay. Man. This setting cannot be true. See that capacitor? Let me take it out. It can't be true. I'm gonna reset that capacitor. I think the position is wrong. I just wanna see quickly. Yeah, that position was wrong. It stays this way. See the my tweezer is very short. I can't find the long one, and the hot hair is burning me now. Okay, I think we've got that right. I think we've got that right. Oh, okay, that's it. Let's just wait a little bit for the board to cool down. Then we can test together. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. The board to cool down. I'm gonna clean this board. Okay. I see a capacitor here. You see this capacitor? If you can see that, does it look good? Eh? One of this capacitor doesn't look good. One of those capacitor doesn't look good at all. So what I'm going to do, we're going to test now. If this MOSFET is still off, we're going to test now. If this first MOSFET, you see there is the first MOSFET. If it's still off, then I'll inject the power so that we check where is the faulty component. But I promise you, I believe one of these capacitor is dead. I believe one of those capacitor is dead. I believe one of those capacitor is dead. Okay. Okay, now let's check. Is taking any power? Nothing. Where is our this thing? Okay. Negative protogram. You see that? Negative protogram. Input. Input, we've got 19. And output, nothing. Nothing. I'm just checking if that capacitor is getting warm or something. I can feel something hot over here, a little bit warm over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to inject the power. Let's see if there will be a hot component, and we'll be able to know where exactly the problem is. Okay. 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 Let's see. So I'm gonna come with the power supply just right after the output of the first MOSFET. I don't know if you can see that output. You see, it's taking power. If you can see the red light here, I don't know if you can see that. The red light is flashing. I don't know if you can see. There was a red light flashing over here. See over here. Let's do that again. Oh, because the yeah. See. You see the red light there. It's flashing here. So let's find out why is this capacitor is what's it called? This MOSFET is off. There must be a reason. Let's go back. Let me zoom it a little bit back. There must be a reason. There must be a reason why the let's connect this one. There must be a reason why the MOSFET is not opened up to power. Okay, let's test again. There must be a reason. I don't want to do it I don't want to do the easy way. Okay. And if you can see that over here, you see the light. When I inject the power now, when I inject the power, you can see the light. The laptop is on. It indicates that it's on. Okay, but you see what's going to happen, eh? Before then, these two capacitor, I need to take it out. I need to take either one of them out to know which one is short. Remember, these caps, they are on the 19 horsepower rate. They are on the main power rate. So whatsoever that makes this MOSFET not to open to power, there is a short on the board, on the main power rate. That is why this MOSFET is off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take out these two capacitors. Then I'll test which one is having the issue. Like I said to you, the MOSFET cannot just be off if there is nothing wrong with the main power array. So when the main power array has a problem, then that first MOSFET will go off. It will go off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take one of these, actually two of them out. Then I'll test them. Then thereafter, then I'll test if we still have the short on the board. Okay. Okay. There's the two capacitor is out. Just want to test them using the BP multimeter. Okay, there's nothing wrong there. You see that this one is bad. See this one there? Let me show you something quickly. Here's my BP multimeter. Let's put this one a little bit forward. The BP multimeter, that one. And let's test this one. Did you see that? It's short. And this one. See? This one is fine. So what I will do, let me put back this one that is okay. Then we'll test the board again to see if this MOSFET is open now. Remember, this MOSFET is closed. There's no power going through there. The power only stops by the input. On the output, we've got nothing. You see? Let me put this one back, then I will test again if we still have the short on that MOSFET. There is dry. Let me put a little bit of lead on the track. If one of that capacitor is bad, the other one can still work because they are on a parallel line. The capacitors they are on parallel line. Which one is the good one? I think it's this one. They are on parallel line. So this one should work without the other one. Okay. Okay. So now let's check again. Let's check again. Okay. I think it's cool a little bit. Okay, let's check. It's a bit hot, and let me put it on the fan so that get cool. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, let's test. Did you see that? Did you see that? The MOSFET is open. Did you see that? The MOSFET is open. Let's go. Let me zoom so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see together. Okay. Negative probe to ground. Negative probe to ground. Input of that MOSFET. You see we've got 19. Then the output of that MOSFET got 19. Do you see that? By the current sensor, we've got 19. Did you see that? The laptop is on. I can feel the processor is getting warm. It's on. Okay, so let's put it back to the casing now. Then we'll test. And before then, I just want to quickly. You see that the fan? It's so dirty. It's so dirty. I'm just gonna quickly clean the fan. It looks like it's. You see, the panel is rusting. Did you see that? That's not good at all. Okay. Now let's put back the board and see if everything is fine. And don't worry about the capacitor which I took out. I didn't replace it. Like I said to you, they are on the parallel line. That means the other one can do the same job. The remaining one can do the same job, which both of them were doing. The other one can do the same job. Okay. The Wi-Fi card. Okay. 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 If you watch my previous video on Asus, I did a video on a laptop that was not detecting the battery. The similar laptop like this. The problem was this over here. If you can see here, that was the problem. I'll show you now. You see here, if ever you've got a laptop like this, and if this is not connected, you must put a screw there, or just put a soldering wire, put a bridge across. Otherwise, it's not going to detect your battery. The laptop will not charge. It won't detect the battery and it will not charge. You must make note of that. You'll be worried or thinking maybe your battery has a problem or your laptop got a problem, not knowing that the problem is just from there. Okay. Okay. This video is getting longer now. Let me just quickly put this screw, then I'll test it. We do this quickly. Just hold on. Why it's not? I was worried. I used the wrong screw there. Let's go back. Okay. So now let's test the laptop so that you can see that it's working. The fan. Okay, no, let's connect. It's going to switch on without the keyboard. It's going to switch on without the keyboard. Okay, charger connected. Laptop is on. So we have to wait for display now. You see that laptop is fixed. Loading Windows. Okay. So I don't think there's a point putting this laptop together while this video is still on. I will stop this video now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Bye bye.